How's it going? How's it going? We got my 2023 Toyota GR86. Got a lot of cool things done to it. Got some carbon fiber front pieces, carbon fiber on the side, shift knobs inside, carbon fiber antenna, spoiler. We are going to install these. As you can see, this yellow light is horrible. This is what they want you to deal with for your trunk light. So we got some, it says T11s, but you can also use 194s, 168s, same thing. So we're gonna pop one of these in. So let's see. It's super simple to do. All you need to do is take this guy and just pry from the side, like so. We're gonna have to do this without. All right, so what we'll do then, we'll have it like this. That way you can kind of see what I'm doing. But from what I read online, you just put it here, pop both of them out. Oh, this car's too low and I'm wearing a hat. There's another one on this side. Oh, there you go. All right, so you pop this out. Now what you can do is unplug the... All right. Got it, finally. But it's hot, yay. Just pull it out anyways. Not 100% sure if these are polar or non-polar. Guess we'll find out. And they're non-polar. But wow, yeah. Look at that compared. And it's actually not all the way yet. So close this cage and bing bong. That's a lot brighter. It's a lot brighter. And that's it. Got extra bulb. But yeah, now if you, it's definitely a lot brighter in here. Yeah, buddy. Got days. I'll show you a few things I got on the inside. Yo, I just got these things. Saw a guy with them online the other day, and he said that he bought them for his. It definitely helps with your neck when you're driving. But yeah, very simple install. We'll have a few things next couple days. I think I got a sway bar coming from Megan Racing. Got a a Perrin oil cap cover, and a Perrin engine cover. And we'll throw those in the next couple of days. But yeah, that was it. It was pretty simple. Super simple install. We'll see y'all in the next couple of days. Deuces.